Hello there, this is Rodel. Welcome to my channel. In our last video, we have talked about how to solve one-step equations. Today, we're going to move one step higher. We will talk about how to solve two-step equations. So please stay tuned. I'll be right back.
How to solve two-step equations. In our last video, we have learned that to solve an equation, we need to find the missing number or the value of the variable. To do that, we apply some manipulations in order to isolate the variable and eventually find its value. Here are some steps that we can follow in solving two-step equations. First, we need to identify what operations are being performed on the variable. Second, we apply the opposite or the inverse of the operations that we have identified. Now we must remember, we need to apply them on both sides of the equation to maintain its equality. Third, in performing the operations, we need to do the addition and the subtraction first, before doing the multiplication or the division. Lastly, we need to check if the value of our variable will give us a true statement. Let us have our first example. 3x minus 2 equals 13. The operations involved here are multiplication and subtraction. Therefore, we're going to perform the inverse. We're going to add first, and then we're going to divide. Since the equation is subtracting 2 from the variable, we're going to add 2. Now, to maintain the balance of our equation, we will also add 2 on the other side. Let us simplify. Negative 2 plus 2 cancel each other. Therefore, we have 0. Bring down 3x. Now, 13 plus 2, we have 15. Next step, since we are multiplying our variable by 3, we're going to divide it by 3. Of course, we also divide the other side by 3. Now, 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1. 1 times x is simply x. Therefore, we can simply cancel 3 over 3. So only x is left. Now, 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Therefore, the value of our variable is 5. Now, let us check if our answer is correct. Let us substitute the value of our variable. Now, 3 times 5 equals 15. Now, is 15 minus 2 equals to 13? Yes. Therefore, our answer is correct. Now, let us have another example. Y over 3 plus 9 equals 11. Here, the operations involved are division and addition. Therefore, we're going to perform the inverse. We are going to subtract first, and then we will multiply. Now, the opposite of plus 9 is minus 9. And since we subtract 9 from one side, we will also subtract 9 from the other side. Let us simplify. Now, positive 9 and negative 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, we can simply cancel both of them. Y over 3 is left. Now, positive 11 plus negative 9, or simply 11 minus 9, is equals to 2. Next step, since we are dividing our variable by 3, we're going to do the inverse. We're going to multiply it by 3. And since we multiply one side by 3, we're going to multiply the other side also by 3. Now, 3 times y divided by 3 is simply y. Therefore, we can simply cancel 3 over 3. Only y is left. 2 times 3 is equals to 6. Therefore, the value of our variable is positive 6. Now, let us check if our answer is correct. Substitute the value of y. Now, 6 divided by 3, we have 2. Now, is 2 plus 9 equals 11? Yes. Therefore, our answer is correct. Let us have our last example. 5 equals 17 minus 2n. Again, here the operations involved are multiplication and addition. We say addition because 17 is positive. Therefore, the opposite is negative 17, or simply minus 17. And since we subtracted 17 from one side of the equation, we will also subtract 17 from the other side. Let us simplify. Now, positive 17 plus negative 17, or simply 17 minus 17, is 0. Therefore, we can simply cancel both of them. Bring down negative 2n. Now, positive 5 plus negative 17, or simply 5 minus 17, is equals to negative 12. Next step, since we are multiplying our variable by negative 2, we're going to divide it by negative 2. Of course, we will also divide the other side by negative 2 to keep our equation balanced. Now, negative 2n over negative 2 is equals to n. Therefore, we can simply cancel negative 2 over negative 2. Only n is left. Negative 12 divided by negative 2 is equals to positive 6. Therefore, the value of our variable is positive 6. Now let us check if our answer is correct. Let us substitute the value of n. Now 2 times 6 is equals to 12. Now, is 5 equals to 17 minus 12? Yes. Therefore, our answer is correct. Okay, that's all for now on solving two-step equations. I hope you were able to follow. Just remember the steps and keep practicing, and very soon you'll be able to master this skill. Now, please watch out for my next video. I will share to you how to solve multi-step equations. So, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you will get updated when I upload my next video. See you next time. Bye!